buy 5,000 worth of USDT. Now I will be receiving 11.43 cents. That's how much I will be receiving if I purchase 5,000. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through step by step how to buy USDT at rate of 437.27 cents naira. So first thing you need to do is come to this website here, then create account, then just try to follow this video step by step. You will find this naira, NGA, naira, then USDT. You press this, then you will input the amount you want to buy. Let's say in this trade I want to buy 5,000 worth of USDT. Now I will be receiving 11.43 cents. That's how much I will be receiving if I purchase 5,000. Which, if I buy this USDT with my 5,000, I'm just going to press add, select payment mode. I'm just going to select bank transfer. I'm going to select Nigeria, press select, then add my offer, save. So after saving this, you will be able to find your offer. My recent trade, you will be able to find your offer over here. In the meantime, your offer is going to be let me go back to see our offer, the offer I make now to buy. Say this is the offer. So in meantime, the offer is going to be filled. It's going to give me someone that I'm going to pay this money to. This network, they are going to match me with someone that want to sell his USDT, so I'm going to buy from him. After doing that, after I purchase this coin, because I want to make this video as short as possible, after purchasing this 5,000 worth of 5,000 naira, then I'm going to receive $11.43 cents. That's how much I'm going to receive once my order get through. So I'm going you just need to come here, then go to wallet. You will find the wallet over here. Wallet. Come here, send. Then you will find this wallet over here, then USDT. Remember USDT. Remember this TRC20 token. This TRC20 token. That's the network you need to copy your Binance account. Then you just need to go to your Binance account, press USDT, press deposit crypto, then press deposit now, select network. This is the Tron. This is the CRT token. You need to copy this wallet, then press copy, then go back to the app, then press paste. Then you need to input the amount you want to sell this you want to send to Binance. So if you remember, we the trade the rate to $1 to naira is 437.27 cents. So then let's go back to Binance. Let's say we will receive this money once we send from Binance and from the website to this Binance. Then we need to transfer this from your spot wallet to funding. Then you will press USDT. After pressing USDT, you're going to find this over here, like the actual money you transfer from the website to this place on your spot. You're going to press max. After you press the max, press confirm the transaction. After confirming the transaction, come here to this funding over here, then go to P2P. On this P2P button, then you press this sell USDT. So remember, the rate $1 to naira is 437. Then when you send your USDT to Binance, then you will be able to sell it for at the rate for 963 naira. So let me go to my calculator. Let's say I purchase like 5,000, then I receive 10.34 and USDT. That's how much I purchased. I spend with my 5,000 on the website. I get this $11. Then now I want to sell this coin on Binance at the rate of times 763 is equal to 8,000. On my 5,000 investment, I'm gaining 3,721 naira. So mind you, if you use 50,000, just times the money like 10 times. So 3,722 times 10. Then you'll be making a profit of 37,210 naira. So in buying 50,000 worth of USDT, 50,000 worth of USDT at the rate of 437. That's how much you will be That's how much you'll be getting the USD. The rate you will be getting the USDT. Then you will be selling it for profits on Binance at the rate of 763 naira. The rate. So that's how you will be able to do this basically. And make sure you try this strategy with a little amount. So once you made a profit, then you can do this with bigger money. So if you get value in this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn off the notification bell. So anytime I make another video on my channel, you won't miss any update on my channel. And thank you guys for your time. See you on the next video.